Global warming is one of the most pressing challenges of our time. Are you searching for ways to stay compliant with sustainability practices? You understand the steps required, but you're still managing your data manually. But it doesn't need to be that way. We would like to introduce the Sanaterra Carbon Footprint Platform. Sanaterra introduces an integrated solution that automates this manual process, bringing everything together in one seamless platform. Let's talk about what it can do. Automated data collections, real-time tracking, report validations, one-click reporting, collaboration tools, and even AI-powered advanced analytics. You can also learn more about us at sanaterra.co. On our homepage, you will find an overview of features, how the platform works, pricing plans, and ways to keep in touch. To get started, click the Get Started button. You will need to sign in first, but if you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up before continuing. Getting started is so simple. First, you set up your organization, you configure your teams, next comes survey deployment. Finally, advanced analytics. When you reach the dashboard, you will see the scope emission card. First, Scope 1 emissions are direct emissions, such as those from fuel usage or refrigerants. Scope 2 emissions are indirect emissions from purchased energies like electricity. Scope 3 emissions are indirect emissions from supply chain and other activities such as transportation. The total emissions represent the combined total from all three scopes. You can also view Scope 1, Scope 2, Scope 3, and the combined emission through different chart types, including emission chart, comparison chart, bar chart, and pie charts. The data automatically updates based on the selected date range. If you select the comparison chart, you can choose both a baseline period and a comparison period, and the chart will automatically show the comparison results. When you go to survey sessions, you will see the survey overview. Here you can track and manage all carbon footprint surveys sent across your organization. To preview a survey, click the preview buttons. This allows you to view each survey type, including Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3. You can also customize the table by selecting or deselecting the columns you want to show or hide. To send a survey, just click the Send Survey buttons in the survey table. This will open a form where you can send a carbon footprint survey to selected recipients by email. In the form, just select the survey type, pick an organization or department, enter the recipient's name, email, or job title, and optionally add a message. The survey was sent directly to the selected recipient's email. The survey table also includes search and filter features, making it easy to use and navigate. In the survey table, the status column has 4 stages: deliver, started, complete, and cancel. When the status is complete, the admin can review the surveys and submit the final review for approval, and the status changed to review in the status column. All review surveys will appear in data table. You can also download all the data as an Excel file. To target page, this can include both absolute emissions reducing targets like reducing total emissions by a specific amount, and intensity targets such as reducing emissions per unit of revenue or per employee. You can set a carbon emissions target to track progress by selecting the target years and the target emissions. You can choose a time period to compare, and the data and charts will update based on your selections. To generate a report, you can select the report period and choose a cover photo. There are 2 options regarding AI-generated insights. In basic mode, AI-generated insight is not available. In professional mode, you can choose whether to include AI insights. Enterprise, the report includes AI-generated insights and recommendations, which are reviewed and verified by Recyclo's technical expert after the report is generated. This is our very affordable pricing plan. Ready to simplify your sustainability journey? Visit sanaterra.co or reach out to our business development team. We would like to help you to get started. Thank you.